Hi, this is Rodney Walker with Grants USA. I have the pleasure of getting a chance to work with a lot of city government organizations as well as various nonprofits, school districts, and a number of others, helping them to secure grant funding. And one thing that I get often that comes to me in terms of getting government grants for cities is the question like, Rodney, why are we having such a hard time with getting these city grants? And I want to share with you one of the reasons I see over and over again. One big reason why a lot of cities don't get as much grant money as they have the possibilities of getting is that they're simply unaware of all the opportunities. They haven't taken the time to fully do a funding report and to begin to be more strategic instead of being reactive. And by reactive, I mean when a great opportunity just pops up and there's an announcement about it, oh, everybody starts scrambling and trying to pull together the proposal. That's being reactive, that's not being strategic. And I want to encourage you and your city to be more strategic in its efforts. Now, there's a special webinar that I have just for you. If you're working and trying to get city grants, go over to citygrantswebinar.com. There should be a link below on the side somewhere around here, but sign up and let me share some other reasons. I have over 5 reasons why your city may not be getting the type of grants that it wants. I just shared with you one quick way, but I have some more details that I want to share with you to enhance your city so that you can get funded. Remember, if you found this information helpful, to like, subscribe, sign up, and look right below. Sign up for the notifications, and I'll send you over information as soon as I have a video available. Take care. All the best.